Welcome back. The alleged lookout man in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial has distanced himself from the proposition that Longwe Twala shot the soccer star. This was previously put by Sibiya's former lawyer, but the accused says that he doesn't know Twala or know how Meyiwa died. He responded to questions under cross-examination by the state. 5 men are on trial for the 2014 murder. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi filed this report.
After the state failed in its bid to cross-examine alleged lookout man in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial on the statement of accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi, eyes were fixed to the screen which beamed video footage showing Longwe Twala walking to Senzo Meyiwa's car at the Khumalo home the day after the soccer star was killed.
Do you know the person depicted on this video clip?
No.
Brigadier Gininda identified the person as Mr. Longwe Twala.
I am listening.
And the evidence, especially of Ms. Zandi Khumalo, is to the effect that they had an affair when the incident happened on 26 October 2014. Are you able to comment on the manner of walking of the person on the video clip?
It would be very much hard for me to comment about the walk of the person who is depicted on the video, simply because of I don't know that person and I don't know the manner in which that person usually walks.
This line of questioning was in rebuttal of a proposition previously put by Sibiya's former lawyer, the late Tulani Mngomezulu, which Sibiya now distances himself from.
The proposition that was made by Mr. Mngomezulu was that Mr. Longwe Twala shot himself in the ankle in the process of shooting at the deceased.
I am listening.
Do you have any comment?
I don't know anything about the shooting of Senzo or anyone, and I know nothing.
The defense wants the person depicted on the video to come to court, but the state says it's made him available to them and he can be subpoenaed. Another proposition was put to the state's ballistics expert, Chris Mangena, who matched the firearm that killed the soccer star to the one found in the possession of accused number 3, Ntobisi Mncube, during his arrest on an unrelated matter in 2015.
But what can associate Chico Twala with the testing of the firearm is the presence of Longwe at the crime scene when Senzo was shot. That is how they are linked, Chico and Longwe. That answers what counsel earlier raised. Chico is the father to Longwe, and he says that I'm going to prove it later on that. And that's precisely what the court said. He said he's going to prove it later on that Longwe is the one who fired a shot to Senzo Meyiwa. Do you have any comments?
What the late Mr. Mngomezulu said, I know nothing about it, and I don't know how he said this, and he's no longer here to come and answer for himself, and I don't even know as to how he was going to prove it. What I know, it is the following: I know nothing about the death of Senzo.
The state will pick up on this line of questioning when Sibiya returns to the stand on Tuesday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the High Court in Pretoria.